Good morning. It is my first day of college ever. Like, this is the first time I will have classes for the first time. I'm not sure how I feel. Like, I'm kind of not ready for this semester at all, but I'm also just ready for it to be over because it's the last one, so it's like the final push, you know? I wanted to drop out so many times. I can't believe I'm here. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready for today. It's actually 6:50. Yeah, I have a class at 8:30. Yeah, I think at 8:30 a.m. and it's a 3-hour class, and normally I would have never done this to myself. First of all, I have avoided 8 a.m.s all my college career. So taking an 8 a.m. for the last semester really sounded like, why would you do that? And a 3-hour class, like, why would you do that? But it is a design class. I think it may be graphic design or something. My friend recommended it to me because she did graphic design as a major. I was like, bet, because this is something I'm actually interested in. Like, this is the first non-health or science related class, except for like the race classes that I take. But this is the first class outside of anything I've ever done, and it's the one that I'm most excited and passionate about. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I have that, and then I think I have 2 more classes after that. I'm not sure, maybe 3, but I made sure all my classes are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So Tuesdays and Thursdays are packed, and today's a Tuesday. But I have no classes Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, which is cool. Well, I have only one class on Wednesday, but it's only on Wednesday. It's not any other day. I have my clothes here because I just moved in yesterday, so I haven't like unpacked everything into my closets and stuff like that. And I like to think that I pick out my outfits spontaneously. But this morning when I woke up and realized that the crew neck that I anticipated on wearing isn't here, I got a little upset. I picked my outfit spontaneously. I still like to have an image of like, okay, what do I want to wear? I don't lay it out the day before, but I think about it. And then the pieces come later. Like, maybe I'll think of one piece. The one piece I revolved my outfit around today is not here. 9:58. My class starts at 8:30, and I know the building it's in. It's not too far. I just do want to get there early though, so I'm probably gonna leave at like 8:05. And this is my outfit. First of all, let's get this fit right here. Get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah. Have you ever seen a puffer on a puffer? No, because it has never been done before. I have kombucha here with me. I'm gonna bring it just to be on my studious girl vibes. I didn't eat breakfast today. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. So I'm gonna bring that in case I get hungry. I'm gonna take a shot of cold brew. I'm gonna put on these gloves for aesthetic purposes. I think they're cute. Okay? And they go with my brown hoodie that I'm wearing underneath. Everyone's like, doesn't your arm hurt from wearing a tote bag every day? No. Backpack just ruins my vibe. I cannot wear a backpack. Alrighty. So, my AirPods died. Am I upset? Yes. That's all. But I do look pretty right now, so it's not too bad, you know. I'm also excited for this class because the teacher's black. The girls that get it, get it. You know what I mean? Ain't too many of them on this campus, so when you get one, you better be grateful. Also, I got makeup on my jackets. That is awkward. So, I just spent the last 10 minutes walking around this design building because I've never been here before, looking for my class. And it starts at 8:30. Right now it's 8:32. I'm walking around. I cannot find this class for the life of me. Guess what I was doing? So you know how classes have numbers? Like you take biology 101 or chemistry 112. This class is art 397. I was looking for room 397 for so long. There is no room 397 because that's the name of the class. The class was actually in a different room that I walked by multiple times. But that's not all. So I decided to check his email because he sent an email last night. And I was like, maybe he changed the class number. Like maybe he changed the room number, maybe, I don't know. So I'm like, let me just go look at the email. We don't even have class today. We don't even have class today. There's no class today. Or the next day either. Class starts next week for this particular class. So yeah, that's college for you. Even as a senior, I still make silly mistakes like this. But this building is nice though. Has a lot of flair. I'm thinking maybe I should go get a full-on breakfast, you know, like an omelet or something. I think I'll do that. I think I deserve one after today. So let's go to the dining hall and get an omelet. A yummy, yummy breakfast. So that room didn't exist because you're welcome. I'll see you Friday. I'm here Friday. Okay. There you go. I came to the student union to study and see all my lovely friends. Someone said the student union is the living room of campus. And I agree. Look at it. Pew! All these people here. Morning. I realized, actually no, I'm not gonna point it out because if I point it out, then you guys will see it too. So I'm just gonna shush, okay? Yeah. Good morning, it's Wednesday. I was gonna end the vlog yesterday, but crazy story, and I'll tell you guys in a bit. Actually, I'll tell you right now. I fell asleep at like 9 o'clock, which was intended. I want to start going to bed at 9 p.m. I want to start going to bed at 9 p.m. because I want to wake up at 5 a.m. and I feel like I deserve 8 hours of sleep. So by 9 p.m. I want to be in bed. And then by 5 a.m. I want to wake up. Thing is, though, that I got into bed, I was listening to a sermon. Long story short, actually, not short, it's about to be long. But I was having kind of an off day yesterday. I was having a really weird day. It started out okay. Like, you know, I was doing what I gotta do. I have school now. Like, I gotta go. So I don't think it was because I have, like, classes that I was feeling weird. I know why I was feeling weird. I'm not gonna say it. It was just a bunch of things that was happening in my life. And that was just making me feel a little bit off. And by the time the day was over, I was like, why am I still feeling this way? Like, I've talked about it, I've thought about it, I've prayed about all these things that I'm feeling. So why is it still there? And I was like, I really don't know what else to do. And then I started listening to Apostle Joshua Salmon, and it's not that he's a comforting guy, because he's not comforting. But you can just tell, like, he really speaks with God's presence. And as soon as I started playing his sermon on the podcast app, I just started to feel better. So I just let it play, and I was laying in bed and I let it play, and I actually fell asleep at 9, which was good. But then I woke up at 7:30, and you're thinking, 7:30 is great. I used to wake up at 7:30 every day, you know what I mean? But no, because I have to wake up at 5 because I want to wake up at 5. I want to start the day early, end the day early. Get the most out of my hours. You know, I don't want to be up at 10, 11, 12. Those days are over. Why am I still up? You know, why am I just up either scrolling or doing work? Like, I have to make the most out of my day. Unless it's absolutely necessary, I will be up. But if it's not, then I don't want to be up. So yeah, but I still woke up a little bit later than I wanted to today, which is fine because I don't even have class till 1 today. So, never mind, I don't have class at all. That's so funny. I just said I don't have class till 1. I checked my phone. Class is canceled. Thank the Lord. Whatever, I'm just gonna roll with it. I guess I'm gonna have to figure out what else to do. I have work though. I have work at 3. I'll still have to go into work, but no class today sounds good to me. I'm starting to put my clothes away. Well, I haven't even begun. I'm just starting to think about putting my clothes away.
Has promoted friends. Bring them all together without the percentages. You know, ever since I was a child, I was always told that it's cheating. And I also tend to get all those things
So basically, it's so hard when you're not watching it. So I'm sure you guys were so right. Oh my god, so this recipe I take on like a pasta salad, and I'm trying to not eat out as much, but it's
I think I'm gonna go get lunch. I was gonna say breakfast, but it's already 12:30. I'm gonna go get lunch in 30 minutes. I forgot to do my morning prayers today, morning Bible study, so I'm gonna do that. And then at 1, I'm gonna go get lunch and then go to work. And you guys will see a little bit. I'll try and vlog a little bit of my work, but yeah.
about someone else, or you're talking about another person's private life and you're uncomfortable, that's the time for you to find ways to exit that conversation. I think she's A, B, and C, and talk about what you know that you're not in agreement with having negative conversations about other people. It also shows how a person might see you. Position of authority, where I want to
Oh, okay. Do you know which camera you want? Okay, so we have a binder right here. It has all the equipment that we have. The cameras are out in front. We mostly give out the DSLRs because those are the kind of really good quality ones that we have. Victor, you've been on the vlog way too many times to just do a peace sign.
Hi.
Victor is practicing for the model show. And they are practicing. Where's Chi-Chi?
She's inside the auditorium.
This is Dylan.
Hi.
He's also in the fashion show, you guys. Not Sky. She's also in the fashion show.
Is that the microphone? That's right.
And everybody here is dress rehearsals. wait. Do my model. Okay.
Yo, I love this little puffer thing.
Thanks. It's the mic. No, that's okay.
And the personality?
This is the personality.
Oh.
No. Let me do model work and then personality.
Yes,
walk.
yes.
Model walk.
No, go from there. Go from there. Though.
All right. Model walk.
She said personality. Okay.
Fun fact, death to self is actually going to be in this fashion show. Fun fact, I have not done anything to prepare for it. Fun fact, rehearsals on Sunday. Fun fact, I don't have any pieces. That's all. I'm not modeling. My brand is being shown off, which I think is really cool. I think it's a really cool opportunity, but I haven't gotten the chance to really work on anything. So I think I'll just show up the pieces that I have and maybe do some impromptu. Oh, I need to ask her if I can do like my own music. You know what I mean? Really?
Yeah.
But she can't play secular music on a Christian clothing brand.
That's a good point.
Exactly. So I was planning on doing Kanye, because Kanye is like a bridge between, you know, he's rapping about God, but it still sounds fun.